So guys, in last video we have chosen our Pokemon, which was Charmander, okay, and we named it as Kong. So today we will go to the Pokemart which we were looking for, and this is our episode 2. So let's begin. Okay, then we have to follow these. Okay, then now I've actually played this game many a time, but just to entertain you all, so I'm playing this game after so many years. So okay, okay, and guys, what would be our rule is that whenever we will play, we will collect all the rare candies and everything which are needed, okay, and we will use for our Pokemons, so you all will also get enjoyed. So okay, we got the parcel and we are going towards Professor Oak's lab. Okay, then now Pokemon came. Pidgey, run. Okay, then I'm going to Professor Oak. Then okay, now he will give us the Pokédex. Okay, Gary came. Now we will get the Pokédex. Come on, boy. Now Pokédex plus Pokéballs. Okay, so today I will show you that what are the cheats you can easily use for Pokemon games. Okay, guys. So just after this conversation, I will tell you about the cheats. So we are basically to use two cheats which are rare candies and master ball cheats. Okay, so okay, after this conversation I'll go to my mom's house. Then okay, here is my mom's house. Then upstairs. Okay guys, now I will tell. So guys, here are basically two cheats. So first you have to click on menu, then cheats, then add new cheat code, then I will just paste it, and you have to not give any descriptions. Okay, now see here, rare candies will automatically come. Item storage, withdraw items, and here are rare candies. Now we'll get unlimited rare candies. So I will in starting take more than let's take 400. Okay, we got 400. Now what are the master ball cheats? Okay, so I will show you, so just wait a sec. So guys, if you want to enjoy Pokemon game, then master ball cheats are also very important. So go to menu, cheats, add new cheat code, paste it. Okay, now menu. Okay, now we will catch Pokemons. So here Pidgey came. I don't want Pidgey, but Pidgey will help us at last when we will do our final, battle or something, or we are collecting rare Pokemon. So here Pidgey came. Okay, in this game Bulbasaur and Squirtle, Wartortle and Blastoise all are very important. So okay, I just want to go to the Pokemart so that I can buy at least 50 or more than that Master Balls, because if our luck is very good, then we can have Pikachu, Bulbasaur and many more. So see, after enabling the Master Ball that code, then we can get here. So I'm just ordering it. So I will pause the video so that the time will not be wasted of yours. So I am pausing. So here we go guys, and we took so many Pokeballs, and now I will first proceed to the Pokemon Center. Then I'm going inside to Nurse Joy. Then she will heal my Charmander and Pidgey. Then okay, good. Now a old man will teach us how to catch Pokemons. So here he is. Now he will teach us. Now let's see how he teaches us. Okay, so is a Weedle. He will directly go to back and just throw Pokeballs on that Weedle. Then okay, he got it. Okay, thank you sir. And we want to go to the Viridian Forest. Thank you for the Tech TV. Thank you. And we are proceeding towards the Viridian Forest. Okay guys, run. Now yeah, Viridian Forest comes. Now I'm trying for Pikachu or Bulbasaur, because I don't want any type of weak Pokemons from the starting only. So we will take that at mind, but we want these many Pokemons at last, because see what came here, and that's why I was saying you that I want Master Balls, because the Pokemons like Bulbasaur, Pikachu and many others like Squirtle, they can't be catched by normal Pokeballs, and more than 15 to 20 Pokeballs will be wasted. So okay, and if you weak them then also, then it's a Metapod. I don't want this. So next, I don't want to go from here. I'll proceed from here. Okay, it's a Caterpie cutie. Then okay, if our luck is very good, then we can catch, or we can have a Bulbasaur. But no. So our advantage is that we have a fire type Pokemon, but we have to increase its level. Okay, so poison sting. Okay, then okay, our Pokemon is hurt by poison, so no, no issues. I will use my Pikachu, then Thunder Shock. Okay, then we won. Now next, Pikachu is of level 5 now. Now I'll try to catch Bulbasaur, but it will not going to happen. Then okay guys, now we are proceeding towards Pewter City and to the Brock. As you have seen, Pokemon in Kanto region, then the first leader is Brock. So we will first, you know, he's the first gym leader. So guys, let's proceed to him. So before that, we will first use our rare candies. Okay, so first, okay, my Charmander learned Ember. Now he's of level 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what are the main advantages and uses of this, what we say, rare candies? The main uses of rare candies are that you can easily level up your Pokemons, like you're seeing here. Now if you're leveling up your Pokemons, then you can easily win the game. Now my Charmander evolved into Charmeleon, and I love that. And if you are willing to take your starter Pokemons, then I will recommend you that you should take um a Blast Bulbasaur or a Squirtle, not a Charmander, because Charmander, if you are playing fair game, then you can easily have you can easily lose actually the games if you are having Charmander. So, and if you all will tell me that why am I using cheat codes and something, because in every single video, if you are seeing my every single video, you will see that I am always hacking the game and playing it, or using I am playing the modded version. So here guys, we came on the 30th level. So if you all guys love the video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then okay, let's begin here. Okay then. And what other I forgot to tell you is that if you have or you are using rare candy sheets, then I recommend you that you should always carry a cheat of master balls, because if you are using rare candies, then your Pokemon levels will be really very high. Like in starting only, my Charmeleon is of 30th level, and the Pokemons which are lower level than your Pokemon, then it's very difficult to catch, because in one attack only the Pokemon or the wild Pokemon will be fainted. So let's begin then. Okay, now my game is start. So Geodude first, as always. I will use Ember. Now next is Onyx. So once again Ember. Now he will use Rock Tomb. This attack is very harmful for us. Now I think our second series of Pokemon is over. So guys, if you have not watched my first video, then please go and watch it. So I got 1400, then this TM39, plus I will get the badge here. So see the badge of King. Okay guys, now we will proceed towards the Pokemon Center. Then okay, and now in next video we will meet each other at the cave or this part. Okay, so thieves have been stealing Pokemons. Okay, so we are visiting to the Mount Moon area, which is that side. Okay, so let's end our video. Okay, so thank you and